Before we start this video, I do want to mention we are still doing our buy two shirts, get a stubby holder and a sticker for free over at jsadventure.com.au. We are doing it all the way up until the 7th of December, the Aussie Post parcel cutoff. Anyway, check it out over there on the website, but let's get to the video. Ready?
Ready.
Here we are on what may be our final episode of our southwest of WA tour. And well, we're still in Pinjarra here. We had an overnighter in Pinjarra. Beautiful little spot. A couple of trains, weren't there? Going through the night. There's a train track there. A little bit noisy, but you may do with it. But anyway, this episode, we're probably going to be getting home back to Geraldton. Into Perth for a bit of shopping for you.
Yes.
And then keep on moving straight back to Geraldton. Realistically, we are running right out of time and yeah, pushing it for time. So we've had to race through, skip Mandurah, well, most of Mandurah, and skip a fair bit of Perth. But let's get into it, see what we see along the way. Well, just like that, we're here in the city, South Perth. Absolutely stunning little spot. And we've dropped the caravan at family's house, right out the front here, so hopefully it's going to be safe. It is all locked up, but it is a lot easier to get around Perth without the caravan on the back there, because you want to go to some shopping malls, some retail therapy. So I guess we're going to do that. We've got a couple of hours of that, and then probably come back, hook up, keep on moving, I guess. Something like that. We may even stay the night. We're sort of humming and hawing. We'll see how we go there. Depends how much she buys.
Because what I did when I sat there, good, but also
Righto, that is us done here in Perth. We did stay at my auntie's house in South Perth. Bloody beautiful little spot, South Perth, and just had brekkie here at the End in South Perth. Beautiful brekkie. But let's get out of here, head towards Geraldton. Pretty much going to go the whole way through, 4 hours.
Yep.
Let's do it. You don't have to stop anywhere. Done all your shopping?
For now.
For now. Righto, let's get on the road. Get out of here. We've got beautiful weather as well, so should be a nice drive. So cheap. Lots. Well,
home.
just like that, we are home. We have raced home pretty much for a Mandurah, haven't we? It's been flat out driving, pushing it real fine, time limits wise, but it's great to be back home. Now is the fun part of unpacking everything, cleaning everything.
Ready to go again
Yep.
at some point.
Yep, ready to head off for Christmas break really, but we've got a lot of work to do with this. Cleaning the car, cleaning the caravan, cleaning everything out of it, and then also starting the process of getting little bits that we need for next year. Little things for the car and caravan. But let's get into cleaning it. Do a little bit tonight and probably the main stuff tomorrow. But it's good to be back home with a beer somewhere. I've lost my beer, but
It won't be far away.
righto, just like that, we are all done here. We're all done travelling. Yep, cleaned up the vans. We've gone and had Christmas lunches. We've caught up with mates, caught up with family, done all that sort of stuff. But we're pretty much finished for travelling in Australia for now.
Yeah, for a couple of months.
Yep, pretty much jumping in the car now, heading back down to Perth. Socia's flying out, and then I'm a week after you. A week, something like that.
A week or two, something
Yep.
like that, yeah.
Yeah, we have got split tickets because just the way tickets cost, and I want to try and get a week or two of work in as well, because travelling's definitely not free. It's definitely not cheap either. But we are planning on travelling again in the new year, so we try and save as much as we can, really. But anyway, let's get on the road, head towards Perth, get used to the airport, get back to work, try and earn some money. And we will be filming over Christmas as well. We'll try and get a couple of episodes in there.
Yeah.
Just looking around England, we are going to New York. Got that right? For Christmas, so that's going to be bloody fun. And then, get out of here, fly. And then I guess when I get back to Australia, start doing some upgrades to the van, which we have got a couple of things that need to be done. Wheel bearings, or the wheels, why they're rubbing out. What else? Diesel heater.
Yeah.
And just little stuff really. I guess service the van, service the car. The car needs some work done to it. But that's really all we got to do. Solar maybe as well. I'll probably do some videos on them. I'm not too sure if I'll get that started before Christmas, before I fly out, but I guess we'll see how we go. Anyway, Let's do it.
Let's go.
Get on the road, get away from the caravan for a little bit.
Yeah, I'll miss it.
Just on that, we have got a couple of things planned to go and have a look at in England to check out and I guess film. But we also will be dropping back to one video a week just to...
So we can just relax and enjoy Christmas and take it easy.
Bit of time off, really. We have got a couple of things that we are going to be filming in England, I guess little day trips, but if there's something that you...
In particular that
you want to see,
then...
we can look into it, see if it's viable. If it is, we'll go and try and check it out.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go. Let's get on the road before you're late. All good?
See you in a couple
Got
of
everything?
weeks. Yeah.
Yep. 2 weeks, we'll see you. Safe flight.
Love you.
There you go. See you in 2 weeks. Righto, straight down here, drop Soch off and pretty much straight back to Geraldton. Got another 4 hours in front of me of driving, but just like that, Soch is out of here. I've got a week and a bit, just under 2 weeks, I think, of just me. A bit of work to do on the caravan, a bit of work to do on the car, and I guess a bit of work to do to try and get some savings up for hopefully next year and over Christmas, I guess. But anyway, I've got to get back on the road, back to Geraldton, which, like I say, is 4 hours. So hope you enjoyed the episode. We'll see you on the next one. Not too sure what we're going to be doing on the next one, but we will be filming in England, and like I say, we are going to New York, which I did want to say as well. We've put all our sort of YouTube money that we've earned over the last couple of months together, and that's going to be our, well, that's what's paying for New York, really. The flights, the accommodation, everything we're doing in New York, sort of a present for us, I guess, something like that. But anyway, we'll see you on the next one, whatever it's going to be. I'm not too sure. Soch is on the way back to England, and I'm a week and a bit behind her. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Here we are, which... What are you doing, man? Get out of there. Not allowed to do that.
Susan.
Righto, just like that, we are done here in Perth. We did stay the night at family's